As we all know, the COVID pandemic has affected the world in various ways. One of them is getting jobless due to frequent lockdowns. Over 114 million people had lost their job in 2020. To get their kitchen running, people have found online earning an effective and fascinating way for generating a good amount of income. Not only this, people are becoming smarter as they have faced pandemic waves and realize that they should have a backup to secure their future and current state. For that, they have started investing in properties where they can freeze their earnings for a better time. Moreover, people are investigating crypto and are doubling their money in days. That's insane! Let's tell you how to take the initiative of earning online. There are several ways to earn online, starting from YouTube and ending with blogging. If you want to merge both, then you can do affiliate marketing. In 2021, people, including adults and teenagers, are doing affiliate marketing as a side business. If you don't want to risk your income by relying on a single job, then affiliate marketing is your thing to do. Affiliate marketing has some requirements to start. The first step is to decide on which platform you want to work. For example, you can choose Amazon, from where you can generate a link to specific products. The second step is to paste that link to other platforms. Are you having a good following on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook? If yes, then you can paste that link in YouTube's description box or Facebook and Instagram's post to get more clicks and sales. But if you don't have any fan following, then you can start blogging. Bloggers can add that link in their articles, from where buyers will automatically find a way to your article and will eventually click the link to buy the product. When one buys the product from your link, you will get a specific percentage from the product's total amount. This slowly but surely helps you earn dollars in minutes. These steps are as easy as they sound. Anyone among us can earn plenty of money from this. The smartest people have already hit social media sites with their affiliate links. Why are you staying behind? Who knows? It could be your path to shine. People are earning online and then investing their money in crypto and properties to multiply the fruit of their hard work. With that said, let us end this video, and do not forget to share your thoughts on this passive income. We would love to hear from you. Turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any of our videos related to these topics. Peace.